I'm seeing the magician, but it's not giving me the energy of someone manifesting. I'm seeing energy. Actually, I don't know why it's so malawak. Maybe there are a couple of energies right here, and it has something to do with tricky or tricking something. Eh, nagiging, ano 'to, ano yung word na yun? Paikot 'no, pinapaikot, okey. Pinapaikot rito 'no, yung parang may tricks na ginagawa 'no, trying to fool or lokohin or dayain ang isa. Pero I don't know, I'm getting that malawak na energy. So, it looks like may mga other energies na involved pero tingnan muna natin 'no, kasi, wala pa tayong klarong info. And we've got here the betrayal. So, malawak to mga babes, no? Kasi this is general reading right here. So, kung ano man yung nangyari before na na situation involving you or this person that you're dealing with, or there are other energies talaga surrounding these energies. Okay? So, I think ang dami ritong involved. Pero whatever the case may be, this person did hurt you big time. Yeah. But you know what, eh, no, nakuha ng deer kasi yun mga babes, no? Yun, no, usa yun eh. Okay? Nakuha ng usa yung attention ko. So, it looks like, okay, this person right here wants to go back in time and try to do something about it. But, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Uh-huh. It's a no-no dapat tong ganito. I'm seeing someone here na I think gusto niya rito na lumapit, puntahan, makipag-usap sa'yo, no? Pero may mga nakikita ko ritong mga harang or tinatawag ko tong mga epal. Sausaw, epalogs, no? Yung mga nakukuha ko ritong mga nangingialam, no? Na hindi na lang pakialaman ang kanilang sariling life. Kasi I'm seeing someone here, kaya nagiging mabagal yung pagpunta niya papunta sa'yo with the Seven of Cups energy, Six of Swords energy. This person is actually, alam mo yun, naguguluhan siya rito eh. Okay? Kasi gusto niya naman talagang lumapit sa'yo, pero yung mga pumipigil sa kanya, I think these are energies, no, na madalas niya ritong kasama. Either family members right here, friends, colleagues, co-workers right here. Ito yung nagdadala ng confusion eh. Ito yung nagpapagulo eh. Sila yung mga blockage dito eh, no? And I'm sensing some kind of conflict. Sila mismo yung conflicts eh. So, let's keep moving, no? Ano ba nangyayari rito? Okay? So, they don't like you. That's what I'm sensing. Page of Swords, Seven of Swords. Let's keep moving muna, no? Para makakita tayo rito ng clear information. But I'm picking up na, yun nga, kaya rito parang hinaharang siya rito na lumapit makipag-usap sa'yo. Kasi they don't like you para sa kanya. That's what I'm getting. Or there are other things right here, okay? So, wait lang. Wait lang mga babes. Siyam-siyaman nyo. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Ayusin ko lang yung phone, dumilim. Okay. So, nagre-reflect yung light. Baba ko lang to guys. Okay. So, hey there, collective! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po at maraming salamat sa wala talaga ninyong sawa na pag-antabay at pag-suporte sa akin. Sa mga new subscribers, hi and hello, ako po si Yan. Welcome kayo rito at sana magstay rin kayo. No? Hope that you're gonna subscribe, no? Kagaya ng mga pabalik-balik ko rito subscribers and viewers from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate you guys. Yeah, I may not know you one by one, but personally, I'm sensing your energy. You do like me. I know. Yeah, you like me, kaya kayo nandito sa channel na to, no? And of course, nakaka-resonate kayo. Thank you so much because you know what, every day, nagpapalakas sa akin at nagpapa-inspire, no? Kasi nararamdaman ko yung energy ninyo, no? Na hindi lang kayo nandito just because you want the readings right here, but because you feel lighter whenever you hear me. Thank you so much, honey. Okay? So, yeah. Yan nga mga babes. No time na sa wala tayong gender dito. LGBT, mga mahal. Welcome rin kayo dito. And of course, everybody, cross-watchers, you can flip roles right here, whatever the case may be. Feel the vibe, feel the connection. So, yun nga. Meron ditong gusto makapag-usap sa inyo. Well, basically, this person really wants to come towards you. But ang bagal. Six of Swords energy. Kasi, gusto naman talaga niya makapag-usap sa'yo. Like, decided na siya makapag-usap sa'yo. But there's Seven of Cups right here. At yun na nga. On top of this, may mga epal at marami-rami sila. Parang group of friends or let's just say baka yung buong pamilya or two to three or more kind of thing. These people with the Page of Swords energy is watching this person na to, kung sino man tong gustong lumapit sa inyo, no? Binabantayan yung bawat galaw, nagiging maingat, no? Alam mo yung iba, nakukuha ko rito na gusto lang naman daw nila itong protektahan sa'yo. Ano, vampire ka ba? Sisipsipin mo ba yung dugo nito? No, o kikidnapin mo ba to? No, at pupunta kayo sa malayong lugar, no, kagaya ng Romeo, save me. Kasi nakikita ko rito, mukhang siya yung kailangang isave rito from these people. These people are giving me the toxic vibes. Yeah, these people, whoever these energies are, they're telling me that they're being nosy or nangingialam masyado, no, sa life ng gustong lumapit sa inyo, and then picking up that this is someone here na naka-involve mo in the past. So, sa iba, pwedeng hindi naman to ex, no? Pero sa iba, no, strongly, nagkaroon kayo rito na relationship. Gusto niya rito makapag-usap sa'yo. Yeah. Gusto niya rito makipag-ayos, Three of Cups energy, reconcile, rekindle, resurrect this connection back to life. Okay? So, yun yung decision niya. Pero every time na gagawin niya na yun, no, they're saying no. These people are saying no and they're doing that. And I'm picking up the maybe haters mo itong mga to. Maybe there is some kind of jealousy lingering on this one. Alam mo, nakukuha ko rin dito na meron silang ibang gusto for this person na gustong lumapit sa'yo dito, whether ex mo yan or someone that you had history with. Yeah, pero wala silang right para makialam. Pero kasi dahil marami sila, nagugulo with the Seven of Cups energy, nagugulo yung isip nitong past person na to na lalapit sa'yo rito or someone here from your past na gustong lumapit at makapag-usap sa'yo. Kasi, I don't know, but there is some kind of a big moon or there's energy right here that this person is guilty about something. So, pwedeng in the past, this person did something to you and now this person is, alam mo yon, nagigilty about that thing. Gusto niya makipag-usap sa'yo with honest truth right here. This person will give you that honest communication. The truth it is. Pero yun nga, no, alam mo yung every time na manghihingi siya ng advice with these people na I think everyday niya nakakasalamuha or most of the times, yun nga, yung parang best friends, family, mga cousins, kung malalapit lang or compound sila, yung mga ganyan. People that are always next to him or her. Pwede mga katrabaho, mga kaibigan, no? Your past person here is asking them, gusto ko talagang lumapit kay collective kasi may mali rin ako or may mali ako na sa nangyari noon eh. Gusto ko makipag-ayos sa kanya, makipagbati, manghingi ng sorry, clear the air with collective right here. And these people are, oh! Huwag ka nang makipag-ayos dyan kay collective. Alam mo, hindi talaga kayo bagay niyan, no? Tama lang na nangyari yun sa inyo, nagkahiwalay kayong dalawa. Ganon, alam mo yun, negative yung nangyayari at sinasabi nila dito sa past person na to, like, they're telling negative things, behind you. These people are trying to instill, no, sa kanyang mind right here na ikaw yung masama, na okay lang na nagkahiwalay kayo, okay lang na putol connection ninyo, hindi na niya kailangan humingi ng sorry sa'yo rito kasi ikaw naman talaga yung may mali, no? Well, honey, sa isang relationship, kailangan talaga ng dalawang tao upang mapatakbo ito ng maayos. Kayong dalawa ang piloto ng sarili ninyong connection at relationship. So, if this person right here, o sige, sabihin na natin, no, wala namang perfect, no, hindi ka perfect, hindi rin siya perfect, 'di ba? Pero, this person wants to come clean. This person also thinks that he or she also had done something wrong in the relationship or not given his or her best in the relationship. I don't know what happened between you and this person specifically because this is general reading, but I'm sensing that this person is feeling guilty about that. Guilty siya doon. Pero itong person na to wants to make it right with you, wants to clear the air with you, wants to reconnect, wants to talk things out, wants to reach out, wants to communicate, and, okay, personal na ito ay maayos niya with you. So, yun yung gusto niya rito. Okay? Actually, hindi niya na iniisip yung outcome. Ang iniisip niya lang dito, gusto ko makausap si Collective, gusto ko siyang makausap about what happened in the past. I just want to let him know na ito talaga yung tunay na nangyari. Kasi with this moon right here, parang this person left you confused about something eh. Pwedeng hindi niya sinabi yung truth before, but now this person is ready to reveal it to you, to confess whatever it is that happened before. Yun eh. Kaya lang, these people, they're trying to block this person's way. Ay nako, huwag mo nang ituloy ang gagawin mo na yan kasi alam mo, this is the right thing to do. Yan, no? Like, yung iba dinadamay pa dito yung tadhana. Like, hey, you, okay, huwag mo masyadong gamitin at i-overuse ang salitang tadhana if you do not really understand what is tadhana and who is universe right here. But these people, they're mentioning that and I hate it. Okay, wag basta-basta sinasabi yung salitang tadhana if you do not know what's really going on. And these people, they might be using that for their own selfish acts. Kasi ayaw nila sa'yo. They do not want you. At yung iba, may ibang taong gusto para dito sa past person na to. See? And they do not want you to get in the way. Yeah, so they're talking bad at you. Pero ang maganda rito, mga honey, we have here the Eight of Swords energy to the Eight of Wands, Three of Cups, okay? Eight of Coins, Emperor, it's good, no? In the Six of Cups is someone here who will make a move. Kasi gusto naman talaga niyang gumawa ng desisyon na kausapin at puntahan ka rito, no? So nakikita ko na gagawin niya to. Despite of these people making pigil or making hadlang in this type of coming forward sa inyo. See? This person will send you, sa iba sa inyo, might be messages right here. Pero kung hindi mo man yung replyan, ang nakukuha ko kasi dito talagang pupuntahan at kakausapin ka niya. Whether alam niya kung saan ka nag-work or workplace mo, kung saan ka nakatira, home address, or whatever, this person is actually paying you a visit right here. Okay, this person will pop out somewhere, okay, out of the blue, like unexpectedly sa'yo. But this person, gagawin niya pa rin ito kahit sa kabila ng mga humahadlang, no? I don't know, pero mas nagiging malakas yung desisyon niya rito kasi nga yung guilty. Guilty siya about something, ano. Kaya lalapit pa rin siya sa'yo, pero hindi niya ipapaalam. This person will keep it a secret right here. This person will just hide it, Four of Swords energy, and Chariot card right here. Nagiging maingat siya sa paggalaw niya rito ng movement. No? So, tingnan mo, bago siya gumawa ng hakbang or bago siya pumunta sa'yo, tinan mo, lumingon mo na siya sa likod. This is the energy of someone here. Like, this is someone praying na i-guide siya rito, na wag malaman no, ng mga toxic energies na to, na gumagawa na siya ng movement para makausap ka. Kasi mukhang nare-realize at naiintindihan niya rito na mukhang itong mga energies na to ay ayaw sa'yo. Which is hindi naman sila yung makakasama or makikisama sa'yo. Which is hindi naman sila dapat in the first place nangingialam. Pero yun yung nangyayari, no? Pero what I love about this person, gagawa na siya ng action dito. Whether you want to talk to this person or not, hindi ko nakikita actually yung energy mo here. Pero ang nakikita ko rito is energy niya, energy ng mga nakapaligid sa kanyang toxic. Pero ganun pa man mga babes, no, this person is coming towards you at nagiging maingat siya, no, at ang maganda, alam niya na ngayon kung sino-sino yung mga ayaw sa'yo. So, pwedeng nagkakaroon rin dito ng clarity about what happened in the past, pwedeng involving this other toxic energies here, no? I think may mga kinalaman na rin tong mga to sa nangyari sa inyo before. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing someone here who wants to reconcile, makipag-ayos, and wanting to ask for forgiveness sa'yo. At gagawin niya ito ng matahimik, no, para magtagumpay siya. Okay? Kasi nakikita niya rito, no, na every time na babalakin niya na lumapit at makipag-ayos sa'yo, these people gets in the way. These people gets in the way right here. And this person is realizing that, okay, hindi sila dapat makialam here. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko rito. This person will do everything and will stand with the Emperor's energy. Siya yung maglilid ng sarili niyang desisyon, of course. Kasi buhay niya yan eh. Yun yung na-realize niya rito. At doon siya gagawa na action based on the shared memories and moments ninyo together. Alam mo maganda, no? Yung nakikita kong past memories at moments ninyo together, no? Kaya siguro nahihirapan rin siyang ipakawalan ito. Pero yun nga na pwedeng nagmamature siya dito with the Emperor right here, realizing na hindi dapat mangialam ang iba, no, sa may relasyon ng iba. Of course, 'di ba? So, pwedeng siya ay madaling na-swayed in the past before, but, this is general reading right here, so just take how this resonates. Someone's moving towards you, honey, okay? You probably do not know this, okay, but this person is coming. Alright, so thank you so much, Collective. Sarang I love and life. Annyeong.